And to the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, let's do your steps. So all you're doing is the basic step, and you're doing 2 counts of 8. So let me show you what I mean. So you do a basic side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, tap. And now you're going to be turning the ladies as you do still a basic. Side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, tap. And to the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ladies, let's do your steps. So you're going to start with the basic. So you go side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, tap. Now it's going to be your turn, ladies. So you're just going to do 3-step turn to the right. So you're going to step right, close, left foot to right foot, right, and then tap. And then finish with the basic side, close, side, tap. Let's watch it to the count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do the lead and follow for the outside partner. This is where the ladies are turning to the right. Okay, so I'm gonna do the basic here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8, what I want to do is, guys, you want to raise that arm up. That's the signal for the ladies to turn, okay? So let's do that again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Raise that arm up. Now, right after you raise that arm up, then you're going to be letting go as you start going to the side, and as the ladies are starting to turn, you're going to be letting go with the other arm, okay? And you're going to be circling this arm over her head, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can come back to each other on 5, 6, 7, 8 gradually, okay? So let's show you again from this angle. So we're gonna do basic just to get into it. 5, 6, 7, arm goes up, okay? So left one goes up, okay? Not too high, just to clear your lady's head position, okay? And then from there, you're gonna be letting go with this one as you're circling the arm over her to the right, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the ladies, what's very important is to keep your core engaged as you're turning, so that when you're turning, you're over your feet, okay? So that it's not like you're like this and you're gonna get off balance. Let's just see Kim doing this turn once here, so you can see how her center is engaged as she's doing it, and that's why she's on balance. The other thing for the ladies is you want to kind of keep your right arm at about a 90-degree angle as you're doing this. Okay, so let's watch this for a second. So when we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right here, ladies, you want to keep that arm, elbow kind of in front of you, kind of about 90-degree angle around you. So that's going to help you with balance. And let's watch another angle here. So as she turns, she's going to keep that elbow kind of in front of her, roughly 90-degree angle, ladies. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you got it. And if you want more videos like this, please visit our website, passionfordancing.com, and consider becoming a member so that you can get access to all of our dance lessons.